I'm going to show you how to use the autonomous driving mode in the S-Class. So whenever you're driving, you've got to have both of these buttons illuminated. One of them is your lane departure and your driving assist. The other is the distance between the vehicles in front of you, right? So both of those have to be on. And then here on the steering wheel, you've got a couple of buttons here. You've got your on and off, and you'll see on the dash, the indicator illuminates when it's on. And you'll see the steering wheel here. This button is going to be your lane distance, and each one of those lines is going to represent a car length, okay? So 1, 2 car lengths, whatever. This will automatically allow the vehicle to adjust its speed accordingly. And then when you're ready, you'll hit the set button and you'll see the car illuminate green and the wheel illuminate green. When that's green, you'll see that the car is now self-driving. And what it's doing is it's using sensors all around the car to monitor the vehicles in all directions, as well as the lines that are on the road, so it can see and make sure it keeps you inside of your lane. And it won't go forever. About every few minutes you'll see an indicator come on and the wheel will turn yellow and you'll hear a beep, and it's basically telling you that it wants you to grab the wheel to make sure that you're still there, and to see, there we go. So it's telling me to put my hand on the wheel. When I put my hand on the wheel, it recalibrates and turns green again. And yes, it'll go around turns, it'll go, yeah. It's a better driver than most people, actually. Great safety feature.